Okay, love. Ha? Di siya katog. Sige siya kuwan.
Kasi nasugod ba ang hilana or ang ubo?
Hilana. So we are here at our Mokdok. Mokdoks. People need to be admitted here. This is really a dry cough and it's still like it's kind of alarming. So yeah. Look at her now. See their hand cool. Very fine. So yeah. So this is Miko's temporary bed, emergency room before we go to the real, the actual, her final bed upstairs, her room. So yeah, you can see we are at the emergency room. Yeah, while waiting for the clearance to move to her room. Oh, baby girl. Baby girl. So we are here at the emergency room while waiting for the clearance to go upstairs for her final room. So we have her dry cough, so it's yeah. I think we're gonna stay here or not until she's feeling better. This is her. My nipples. She will be transferred to her room, the private room upstairs. So I have to wait for the nurse. We find that I also need to sleep because see, I have been sick for like 3 days now. So now I need to go back to my unit and it's have to sleep. And her mother will stay here with her tonight to watch her. And I'll be here tomorrow morning. See? Maples and pictures here. See? And while waiting for her to be transferred to her private room for kids. So yeah. Ta-da! Contact. The people feeling good. A strong little girl. See that. Sige pa. This is me put here. Here. She's resting. See? That's how it is. Oh my gosh, she's very good. So you're here. And chill. And this was her stuff here. All her stuff here. Toilet and shower room. So, sorry, that one. Good. See? So yeah, Maple is here in her room, private room for kids. So she's just resting. Maple is here. I hope she will feel better soon. A change. Coughing soon. So yeah. So here, the hospital or Macdo. So we are here. Nico's room. This is my baby girl here. He's so in cough. I know. Easy. Now I'm easy. Praying that she will get better soon. She's still cough, this dry cough and coughing most of the time. You know, she look her tired and feel weak. Yeah, they're fine. Even though she's still on IV because she hasn't eaten yet, but she has an IV here. The fluid just helps her too. You're fine, huh? You'll be fine, huh? You'll get well soon. You're fine. You just have to spit out the flame, okay? You must have a little cough now. Oh, there. Okay, good. Very good. You're fine. You want the water? I'll give you water now.